Hi Fitness Fanatics. Okay, so today's workout is going to be the following. We will start with our warm-up. It's a 7-minute activation. If you guys feel like you're not warmed up after the 7 minutes, you're more than welcome to do it twice, which will be a 14-minute workout of warm-up, which is also cool. So we're going to start with 1 minute of arm circles. So we're just going to go nice and big. You can even do 30 seconds to the front and then 30 seconds all the way to the back. Make it nice and big so that your shoulders get nice and warmed up. Then from there we're going to go to arm hugs. So it's nice and wide and then grip your arms to the back. Okay, so if I turn to the side, you want to go nice and big, and for a full minute keep on moving your arms from side to side. Then we're going to go to good mornings. You guys can just put your hands behind your head, bend the knees, and then all the way down, up again for a full minute of good mornings. And our last minute from this one is going to be our standing leg swings. So you can hold on to something where you're just going to swing your leg up as high as you can, to the front, to the back. On the one side 30 seconds, change sides on the other side 30 seconds as well. Then we're going to move on to bird dogs. Guys, with the bird dogs, it's going to be down on the ground. What I want you guys to do is keep your torso nice and tight, your stomach muscles pulled in. You do not want to arch your back and keep your bum up. So in this position, you're going to move opposite hand and opposite leg upwards. Alternate, other arm, other leg. This is a very slow and focused movement, so don't rush through your bird dogs. For a full minute, alternate. Then we're going to go for our squat to stand. Hold on to the toes. This is hard for some people with stiff hamstrings. So squat down as low as you can and then reach out to the top. Down and all the way up. So you want to stretch your lower back and your hamstrings while holding your toes for another full minute. Then we're going to go for our arch ups. On the ground, you're going to be on your stomach. From there, you're going to go down and then squeeze the butt and back down. Squeeze the butt and back down. That's your arch ups. From there, after that's 30 seconds, turn around and we're going to do a hollow hold. For a full 30 seconds, keep your core nice and tight. If that is too hard, move your hands to the side and then just bend the knees a bit while keeping your torso tight as well. For 30 seconds, that is 7 minutes in total, guys. Like I said, you can repeat it if you really feel like you're not warmed up after that one round. Then we're going to move into our workout. Today's workout is a 15-minute AMRAP, the home version. You can use any equipment pieces. If you do have dumbbells, please make sure to check out that workout as well. It will be an octave. If you do have home equipment, like Martin showed us, a paint bucket, or if you want to have a bag with you loaded with books or something heavy, you can use this as well. So our workout for 15 minutes, we will start off with 30 double unders. So guys, you will be needing a skipping rope. For those of you who don't have a skipping rope, don't stress, okay? You are more than welcome to do jumping jacks. Okay, so it's either going to be 30 double unders, 60 singles, or jumping jacks, right? From there on, you're going to move to a 200-meter run, which will be a kind of paced run, nice and fast. And when you get back, you will then use either your paint bucket for, let's say, squat thruster, 5 on the one side, which will change to the other side, and then do 5 on this side for 10 reps. If you don't have a paint bucket, you're using a bag, you're going to do 10 reps of squatting and then pressing. Squatting and pressing. 10 reps. Then we're going to move into the next round. Again, back to our 30 double unders, or our singles, jumping jacks, 200-meter run. Then we go up with 10 reps. So now we're going to move to our thrusters, which will be 20 reps. Okay, so 20 in total. You can do 5 per arm again, or 10 per arm, or you can use your bag for 20 reps. Next round, you'll go again double unders, your run, and then 30 reps of your thrusters. So increase your thrusters with 10 reps every round until 15 minutes is done. If you don't have any equipment with you, that's also cool. So you will do the equipment-free one, which will be the double unders, same thing, or the skipping, 60 singles, jumping jacks if you don't have any ropes, and then you'll move to your run, and your squat movement will be squat jumps. So you'll start off with 10 squat jumps, nice and low, reach to the top, all the way, 10 reps. After your squat jumps, repeat your skips, then you run, and then you do 20 squat jumps. Again, your skips, run, 30 squat jumps. So every time you increase your squat jumps with 10 reps for a full 15 minutes, When you're done, obviously, your score will be how many thrusters you got to get to the round of 40 or 50. Enjoy your workout, guys. Alright, the quote for today I want to encourage you with, guys, is at the back. It says, start where you are, do what you can, never stop, and keep going. We are doing this for a full 2 weeks, guys. Online training is not easy, so I want to motivate you guys. If you haven't done anything yet, start today. It's never too late to start, and just keep going.